Hey students, this is a quick conceptual video applicable for CS Professional Corporate Finance. Have you ever heard about the term sustainability? Quite trending, right? Because everybody nowadays are bothered about environment, right? So while the SEBI stays behind, SEBI has come out with a new concept, that is green bonds. Green bonds are nothing more than the bonds that has been issued by a corporate entity in order to finance their environment friendly projects. Okay, along with green bond, the definition covers about yellow bond. Yellow bond is nothing more than a bond, the finance of which is going to be invested in solar projects. And blue bond is nothing more than a bond whose finance is going to be invested in water management project or water related projects. Okay, and there is also a last bond that is known as transition bond. A transition bond is nothing more than a bond, the finance of which is going to be utilized for such kind of companies which is transitioning its energy resources. They are shifting from non-sustainable energy resources to sustainable energy resources. There are few more bonds that are trending nowadays. Okay, the first one is social bond. Social bond is a bond which is being issued for a social venture, right? And there is also a sustainable bond has been issued to finance social cum environmental related project, and that is it. Okay, all these bonds are quite very important from the point of view of exam. All the best, students.